Oh, hey everybody. It's been a while. The computer at home quit working, and so I've been editing on my phone, except that's miserable, so I haven't been posting videos. But here I am at Lake, I forget, but we're in Fort Abercrombie, Kodiak Island, Alaska. And I wasn't really planning on making a video because I'm really just on vacation, seeing my brother who's up there. That's a story for another day. But the stuff is so cool, I think I'll edit it into a video anyway, because if I don't, I'll regret it later. So here's my feeble attempt at an intro.
I think the sawmill would be a good business one.
I will show you all.
Okay. Oh, we have to pee on everything. I'm sorry. Sniff and pee, and he will on everything.
Where'd you get all that urine? You been saving it up?
Fort Abercrombie's 8-inch guns were blown up as a safety precaution.
Bless you. Oh, I thank you. I have snot. Snot. Distant electrical control. Electrical control. It's wet in here. Of all the places to be stationed, could be worse. And so like 70 years ago, all these trees were down, you know, so you could have a pretty good view out there.
Yeah.
When you think about it.
I mean, being stationed here now is, I love it. I love this place.
Look at all the stalactites.
I know, right?
So, not to be confused with the stalagluses. What was here? Oh, so it's been rotting away for a real long time.
Yeah, but what's this stuff?
Mineral deposits,
Is this like embedded in the
calcium.
ground? I don't
It
know.
might be stuff seeping out of the concrete.
Could be. What do they make?
Lime seeping from the...
Yeah, lime. Yeah. What did they make concrete out of 80 years ago? Portland cement. It's like a hobbit hole. There's grasses on the top. Yeah, it's pretty out there.
A ship coming in, and then in there's the gun, and that's where they were shooting down.
No, that was the control station for the lights. Sure these aren't Toblerones?
Hold on, look. Help. Just help me. Oh, distant electrical control.
Oh, no. They're definitely a base for something. They're not Toblerones at all.
I gave you wrong information.
I forgive you.
Thanks.
Going in reverse, I just realized we also missed placard number 10. Oh, so they were on carriages. So they roll them in and then roll them out. Roll out. There's a quote by Corporal Walter Dangle. That's an unfortunate last name.
Rudy Jangles.
Wheel Snipe Sally, boys. It's a pretty cove. It take a lot of effort.
I mean, it looks like blocks, but it's just like individual concrete.
Yeah, that's the wood.
There's the forms.
Yeah, it's cast all the way around. One big pour. There's more salmon bushes.
Yeah.
Get out of my salmon bushes.
Got some Schneppeschnick.
Yes, Ned Schneebly.
Under this trail. You go as far as not.
Nuke the Rose.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Up on the wall. Kind of. So like you can see the tip of the mountain.
Yeah.
So our house is like on this slope.
Also, there's those foundation pieces from the other side, and there's 10 that we missed. Observation tower. Imagine what it was like with no trees here, because the trees would have been smaller 70 years ago.
Yeah.
You could see quite a lot. Ooh, yep, that's what it would have looked like. That's pretty cool. 3. Oh, now we're back going the right direction, except we missed 1 and 2. Come on, dog. Oh, yeah, cool. Come here. Good boy. Off. Oh, yeah, sure. Look at that.
Your 4-cylinder?
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Willys. Oh, that's cool. Jeep. How cool is that?
What about that was loud in there?
Oh, yeah. So is that where the conduits? Is that what that was above your head?
Probably.
I don't believe that hole was there naturally. It's pretty cool that that wood is still there. Is that original? Maybe not. Maybe. It's awful good shape. Got that green pressure treated look to it. Look, there's a gun over there. Look right there. That's a big old gun. That's not how it was sitting. Had to be on some sort of a carriage, right? Kodiak Military History Museum. It's a path. Those big wood doors. Oh, so there's a carriage. Yeah, oh, I see. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's a bigger gun. Off. Off. Thank you. Let's read this placard real quick. Come here, knucklehead. Let's go read the placard. big stuff. It had to be to carry that plus the recoil.
Yeah.
Yeah, she thick, all right.
That must be for the barrel probably went out that way.
Yeah, so the breech was over there. Barrel's over here. That big old gear.
Yeah, I see it there with the too.
Oh, is it? Come, Bubba. Thank you. Oh, yeah, that big ring gear.
Well, this probably had like a thing that turned the thing.
Yeah, I'd like to see the motor that did that.
It looks like they had to hook it on this way into that
Uh-huh.
wrench part, the one gear. To turn that, that probably had a drive shaft that went down in.
I wonder if that gear that we're looking at right now is the drive shaft. And that's just like a manual override gear. I wonder if they put a crank on that.
Well, I think it was,
Hand cranked?
I assume up and down and left and right.
Yeah, I figured it was done by a motor.
That's what I figured it was too.
Maybe not?
As thick as that steel is. Oh
This
my
one
gosh.
turned a spindle for elevation,
Uh-huh.
and I bet the ring gear turned the.
So you think that's all done by a motor? You think that was done by hand? Could have been. Well, yeah, if there was a motor, I'm sure that there was also a...
Redundant.
Yeah. So what's that out there that's getting broke on by the waves?
This piece of rock shoreline that is higher in elevation than the beach.
Oh, I see it. I wondered if maybe it was Everalmo's asparagus. But I don't think it is. That's a good size. Oh, you see all the way through. Aha! Look at all those riflings. So just to sit out here for the last 70 years, and it's in good condition, it's kind of cool. There's another one over there. Let's go look at that one.
Look at the thickness of the steel.
It's all kinds of thick. Crazy. It's massive. Shame they destroyed it. Though what would you do with it?
I don't know. Shoot it on 4th of July.
Is the piece with the rifling a second cast piece?
It looked like it.
Kind of does, doesn't it?
Like 4 to 3 tracks.
I guess you might have to do it in lifts.
How would you get that in? How would you get that up here? Trucks?
Yeah, slowly over time with a lot of effort.
A lot of equipment and manpower.
Off. Yeah. For distant viewing, I think maybe that's correct. That's what you use a telescope for viewing distant things. Oh, that's cool. They can come. They'll be fine.
I'm not.
It's not a bear. Yes. I got a rock. So it must have been casting lifts. There's stuff inside that bore.
I wonder if they shot those every once in a while just to.
Clean them out. I had to train, right?
Yeah.
This one's good. Yeah, I see that. This one's good and messed up. Crazy. There's the serial number. Something 3. Serial number 3. 26666 and some other stuff. Huh. Wish I could see it when it was whole. This is a pretty downhill trail.
It is. I just about ate it.
Hi, Knucklehead. Oh, it's 2 stories. Well, I guess it's not really 2 stories. Oh, look at this old jelly jar. No, is that a jelly jar? It's a pipe. It's a pee-pay. Ooh.
Spooky.
Big iron door. Cool.
I would have thought they connected.
Huh. I thought they did too. Huh. Nope. No luck. The plotting and spotting room.
Well, there's like, that's cool. There's like a chart table in it.
Oh. Well, that makes sense. It's the plotting and spotting room.
There's definitely stuff in there.
Oh, cool. Yep. That's cool. It'll be kind of a fun little place to have a day fire pit, a day fire. Roast marshmallows and hot dogs. It sure is pretty out here. Man, that's pretty.
Sit.
It's not separated from the ocean by too much.
Uh-uh.
I wonder if it's just all fresh water.
Brackish.
Yeah, the tide doesn't get funny.
Well, somewhere in there is the mess hall. Was. Right? Like, right there? I don't know. There's nothing left of it.
Perhaps it were wood.
It could be. Maybe it was a Quonset hut and they made it go away. Well, and just like that, I don't think we're going to get to see everything. So, here's the sign off. Thanks for coming back and sticking with us. We'll get back to making videos on the regs here before too long. Yeah. Plenty of footage. Just don't feel like editing on the phone.